Hi home bakers, today I'm in the kitchen making candy cane cookies. Bring a touch of Christmas magic to your kitchen with these easy holiday cookies. These festive cookies twist together red and white classic sugar cookie dough, giving them a fun and whimsical classic candy cane shape. So whether you're popping them inside a Christmas cookie tin or baking with little helpers in the kitchen, this Christmas cookie recipe should definitely be on your list. If you're looking for a unique Christmas cookie recipe, these candy cane cookies are the perfect choice. These bright and colorful cookies are instantly going to put you in the Christmas spirit. They're perfect for adding to your holiday cookie tins, serving with a cup of hot chocolate, or even edible decorations. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make candy cane cookies. In a bowl, beat together 1 cup of unsalted softened butter with 1 cup of icing sugar and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Beat these together until they're light and creamy. This will take several minutes. Then I'm going to add in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat this again until everything is well combined. Make sure to scrape down the bottom and sides of the bowl a few times as you go to make sure everything is getting mixed in evenly. Now I'm going to add in 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Mix this on low just until the dough comes together. The less you handle the dough, the more tender your cookies will be in the end. I'm actually making a double batch of these cookies for some holiday gift giving. Now I'm going to separate the dough in half. To 1/2 of the dough, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of mint extract. And to 1/2 of the dough again, I'm going to add a few drops of red food coloring. Mix this on low again just until the food coloring is evenly distributed into that half of the dough. And now we need to form our candy cane cookies. Section off a few tablespoons worth of dough. I'm going to roll this into a long, thin rope shape. Now section off the same amount of the other half of dough. Roll it out thinly and then bring these 2 colored doughs together. I'm going to cut these into about 2-inch long sections. Press them together and then we're ready to shape the cookies. You can either roll this together gently with your fingers to form the colors into one rope, then simply shape it into a candy cane shape. Or you can leave the 2 colored ropes separated and twist the 2 colors around each other. Continue to roll and shape the dough until everything is used up. Place all the little cookie candy canes onto some lined baking sheets. And they're ready right away to go into my preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. The cookies will still be delicate when they come out of the oven, so allow them to set for a few minutes on the tray before removing them. And my candy cane cookies are ready to serve. This is definitely one of those fun and festive holiday cookies you should add to your baking list. Soft, tender, and perfect for dipping. The perfect addition to any dessert platter or adding to little lunch boxes. And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.